a world of endless fun and excitement with Soft Play World. Designed to ignite imaginations and provide hours of entertainment, this custom-built indoor playground is every child's dream come true. Introducing Royal Soft Play, where creativity meets comfort. With a soft and safe EVA mat flooring providing a secure foundation, children can explore and play with confidence. Dive into the trampoline, explore the mini house, unleash creativity at the toy desk, ride around in the small car, slide down the small slide, all within the cozy confines of Royal Soft Play. But what truly sets Royal Soft Play apart is its commitment to quality and innovation. With care and precision, each element of this indoor playground is designed to stimulate imagination and promote active play. From the vibrant colors to the durable materials, every detail is tailored to create an engaging and dynamic play experience for children of all ages. Picture the laughter and excitement as kids bounce on the trampoline, play house in the mini house, draw and create at the toy desk, zoom around in the small car, slide down the small slide, build forts with foam cubes, and conquer the rock climbed wall. With Royal Soft Play, the possibilities for adventure are endless, providing a safe and stimulating environment for children to explore and grow. customizable features, you can create the perfect indoor playground to suit your space and style. Whether it's a corner in a daycare or a vibrant play area in a family entertainment center, Royal Soft Play brings joy and excitement wherever it goes. So, whether they're bouncing, climbing, sliding, or imagining, Royal Soft Play promises a world of fun and adventure for children of all ages.